What did you?
Good. Who played with you with the bubbles? Did Luke? Did Aaron? What's Aaron for?
Kitty.
A what?
Kitty. And Lukey's being a moo moo cow.
A what?
Moo moo cow.
Okay.
Hi, Joe. Who's in the picture? Who's in the picture, Jojo?
Mama.
Mama. Who else?
Mama.
Mama. Who else? Brett. And is Ninny in the picture too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ninny.
Hey, Mama and Brett. Aren't they pretty? Pretty babies like you. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nini.
Who's that? Nini. Can you go right in there?
Yeah.
Jojo, who do you play with at Mimi's?
Nini.
Oh, the tree getting you.
Let's put it right in here.
Who is he playing with?
It's like a book. All your favorite people, huh? Except Daddy isn't here.
Or Mama or Papa.
How do you scoop this stuff up?
Good boy.
Make sure you get your nose with it.
Flashlight?
Yeah.
Oh, what are you shining?
Light.
Come here. I'll turn it on. Ready?
Yeah.
There. Woohoo!
Ah! Ah!
Ooh, it's going everywhere.
Ooh, scary.